Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether Zable offers any features for splitting bills or group payment. So in order to split bills or group payment, you have to first of all make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, go ahead and log in into your account. Now in the Zable app, you may have the option to initiate a group payment or bill split. This could involve creating a new group payment and inviting other participants to join. And once you've initiated the group payment, you can specify the total amount of the expenses and the participant involved. You may be able to select contact from your phone or email address or phone number as well. Now Zable may provide option for dividing the expenses equally among the participant or allowing you to customize the amount each person owns. After dividing the expenses, Zable can send payment requests to each participant, notifying them to their share of the bill and promoting them to pay their proportions. Now, once participants start making payments, you can track the status of each payment within the app. This allows you to see who has paid and who still owes the money. Then you could go ahead and settle the bill. So that's basically how you can split bills or group payments on Zable. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.